good people? Here, shout out to Hall Hyundai for allowing me to review the 2021 Hyundai Sonata Hybrid.
Today we're reviewing the 2021 Hyundai Sonata Hybrid. This particular model wrapped in a hyper white. For the length 192 inches, height 56 inches, you have a wheelbase of 111 inches with a ground clearance of 5.3 inches. Right here we're looking at a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder aka 4-banger pushing out 192. For the torque 151 at 1800 RPMs. For the MPG highway 51, city 45. Here's the sound of it. Right here we're looking at a 17-inch alloy wheel with a machine accent finish with disc brakes in all four corners. You have a solar panel roof that can charge the onboard battery, which is capable of producing enough electrical power that can provide up to 700 miles per year. Now we're making our way inside of the vehicle. We're greeted with great leather seats. Right here we are looking at a digital cluster gauge. On the left you have your gas gauge, on the right you have your battery gauge. In the middle you have a digital display. Using the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel, you can go through your drive mode, tire pressure, and attention level with all the other good stuff. You have a heads-up display. Now we're bringing it back to your standard steering wheel control. You have your Bluetooth and volume button alongside your cruise control setting with your plus and minus paddle shifters. The buttons right here are your interior dim with your lane keep assist. On the door panel you have your memory seat settings. The buttons right here are your trunk release with your traction control alongside your electronic parking. Looking down on the door panel, you have your standard unlock and lock with your one-touch window control with mirror control. You have your engine start-stop button, aka your push button start. This particular model is a keyless entry. Right here we're looking at a 10.25-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay running the latest Blue Link. You have your 360 backup camera. Now we're bringing it down to your door climate control alongside your heated and cool seats. In the cubby area you have your 2 USB alongside your 12-volt outlet and your wireless charging pad. You have your Shifttronic buttons. This particular model is a 6-speed automatic transmission. The buttons right here are your parking assist with your camera view alongside your drive mode. Watch as I demonstrate drive mode. It just turned red when we enter sport mode. You have your cup holder area. You have your glove box for extra storage space. Now we have made our way up to your interior lighting. The buttons right here are your blue link, compass with your SOS safety connect. Now we are making our way inside of the center console. This is pretty deep. Now we are making our way to the back of the vehicle. We are also greeted with gray leather seats. You have your air vent alongside your USB outlet. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control. You have your manual visor control. In the clip as shown, I am 5'11" with decent amount of leg room. Now we're making our way to the cargo area. Measuring that 16 cubic feet. Wow, this is pretty spacious. You can put a 50-inch TV in here.
Once again, huge shout out to all Hyundai for allowing me to review the 2021 Hyundai Sonata. If you need any information about them, I'll leave the link in the description below. Like always, good people, press the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.